Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make your Instagram account from public into a private account. So sometimes you want to limit the access from random people over your Instagram account here, so you need to switch from the public account to private. So open your Instagram now, and if you are in a home section, you need to jump into your profile sections right here, and after that you need to go into these three straight lines right here and go visit the settings and privacy. And in this settings privacy, go scrolling down until you found this who can see your content, and right after this part you will see an account privacy. Now you just need to go click it. To make your account private, go click activate this button until the button becomes blue, and don't forget to confirm that you want to switch into the private account. And here your account is already changed from public to private. It will be symbolized by a locked symbols right on the left side of your ID. So that's the way how to change your Instagram from public to private. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.